Preview. Preview. Preview.
Hello everyone, this is Adrian Howard with your weather, and a significant ice storm is underway in the south, particularly in Mississippi and a small portion of Louisiana in the northeastern corner and also the extreme southeastern corner of Arkansas. Meanwhile, all around those areas here in northern Louisiana, all the way up into northern Mississippi and Tennessee, and then into Kentucky and West Virginia, parts of Georgia and northern Alabama and northern Georgia. Winter weather advisory, that is for sleet and snow. Just wanted to kind of give you this video to show you what is happening with the storm system. Significant ice is expected in this area, and what can be expected in this area, this general area here in Mississippi, could receive a half of inch of ice on trees and power lines. Now, the reason for that is that there is a cold front that is stationed right about here that is going to kind of stall out. The jet stream pattern is sort of diving down out of the Rockies down into the plain states and kind of coming up this way. Now, as that happens, the low pressure systems develop either in the Rockies and move down into southern Texas, or they develop down here in Texas and move up into this general location. So as they move up, precipitation is thrown back into colder air as it is filtered down. Below freezing temperatures are in this location, so ground surface temperatures are below freezing, which is causing as warmer air aloft overrides this colder air. That is what's giving the precipitation in the form of freezing rain or sleet. Now, if the air had been cold all the way up in the atmosphere, there would have been snow as a result. So that is what is going on here. This could become a major ice storm as we head on into tomorrow. We'll just see how things play out right now. Now, there is another wave of low pressure that is expected to develop down in this general area down here in Texas, and it is expected to ride up and bring more precipitation up into this area in some of the same areas that received some freezing rain today, and also a little bit of sleet and snow. So that is going to add to the ice totals. I would not be surprised to see trees and power lines snapping. So if you live in this area of Mississippi, central and western Mississippi, and extreme northeastern corner of Louisiana, and extreme southeastern corner of Arkansas, be mindful of that. That could be a possibility. Power outages could be a possibility. You just have to see how the storm system goes right now, because once that storm system moves up into Canada, that jet stream pattern is going to kind of stay the same, and it is going to allow this pattern to be somewhat blocked, where that subtropical moisture continues to feed up into this general area. So as storm systems develop, they will be riding up and along that. So not really a whole lot of forward progression with these storm systems as they move, because of the jet stream being somewhat blocked, preventing storms from moving eastward. Now, some of the areas that are under an ice storm warning, as I said before, as you can see here, areas in Mississippi: Greenwood, Bishop, Cleveland, Grenada, and Greenville, Mississippi. And there are also flash flood warnings here around Jackson and Columbia. And above that are winter weather advisories for snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So we just want to keep you mindful of that. I want to keep you mindful of that. I will continue to update my Facebook page. Please continue to get updates there. And here is the GFS model showing that another wave of low pressure is going to be developing right in this general area. Is going to be developing right in this general area. And up and along that, here's that 0 degrees C isotherm in this general location, but because of Gulf moisture, being pulled into this area and riding under that or over top of that with warmer air. That is why an ice scenario is setting up. Major ice storms are very dangerous, and they can be more dangerous than snowstorms. So I'll keep you updated on this ice storm situation. This storm should, as another wave of low pressure develops, there should be another round of freezing rain and ice coming into these locations that I mentioned to you before. This is Adrian Howard with your weather. I will continue to keep you updated on this ice storm. Could become a major ice storm. We're just going to see what the storm system does. Take care, everyone.